CIRIS is the communal center of the technology industry. We help businesses introduce technological innovations. This enables those businesses to strengthen their competitive position in a long-lasting way. CIRIS has over 120 in-house experts across 6 different sites in all 3 of Belgium's regions. At CIRIS, we develop knowledge in-house, whilst keeping a finger on the pulse of developments elsewhere in the world. That means our customers have rapid access to in-depth expertise in over 20 fields. Meanwhile, we've been playing our leading role for 60 years now.
Since its creation, CIRIS has been a bridge between universities and companies of the technological industry. In the beginning, small entities of CIRIS were created at universities, and they were capturing all the existing knowledge at these universities and were transferring them to the industry. In the meantime, CIRIS is becoming now more and more a bridge between, let's say, all existing knowledge and the companies. By all existing knowledge, I mean all knowledge that has been developed by universities, but also by international and national competence centers.
Both small businesses and large industrial groups from all sectors of the Belgian technology industry can turn to CIRIS. CIRIS shows businesses the way to expertise in the most diverse range of fields. Where necessary, we can also call on external knowledge partners and specialist companies, universities, knowledge centers and research institutes. The future looks very bright.
With rapidly growing and changing technologies, new technologies are coming up, yes, the role of our center becomes more and more important because in order to survive in the world you need to have top products, and top products need top technologies.
Okay, go ahead.